Good morning, students. Now, in the last class, we have seen one identity that x plus y plus z whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Now, two more identities we have to understand. That is, first one is x plus y whole cube. Right. So what will be your answer? You have to write answer like this: x cube plus y cube plus 2x square y plus 2xy square. Now, first of all, you should understand how this answer came. Like, you can ask me a question like, sir, why you have written like this from this? So here, what is the meaning of this? Here, if I put a simple number 2 raised to 3, that means you can say 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So if your question is like that, you can write an answer like this. So same way, if I show this, here this one is 2. If you assume this one is your 2, then you can multiply this by 3 times. So we can multiply this like this, right? Here if 2 is there, you have done like 2, 2, 2, 3 times. So here instead of 2, x plus y is there. So you have written this 3 times. Here nothing means multiply. So now for solving this, here I can write like this x plus y. So here this one is 2 times. So I can write x plus y whole square. Now this identity we have done. What is the answer of this? This one is x square plus 2xy plus y square. Now if I multiply these two terms with this, then what answer I will get? So first of all, x into x square. Here 1 plus 2, this will be 3. X into 2xy. See, x into 2xy. So here x into x, 1 in 1, it will become 2. So 2x square y. Here x into y square. So xy square. Now if I multiply y into x square, then x square y. If I multiply y into 2xy, then 2xy square. If I multiply y into y square, it will become y cube. Now if I write in simple terms, here like terms, see, this one is alone, this one is also alone. So here 2x square y and x square y, both are like term because the variables are same. So this one is 2 and this one is 1, 2 plus 1, 3. So you can write like this: x cube plus y cube, 2 plus 1, 3x square y. Or second one is x square, xy square and 2xy square, both are like terms. So 1 plus 2, 3. So 3xy square. So if your answer is like this, your question is like this, your answer is like this. So this identity you can write in another way also. If you make common, what is common? 3xy. Then what is remaining? We have 3 common, x square में से एक x निकल गया, that means x, and here y. So you can write the answer like this, right? So this is the identity you need to remember. Now, second identity. If the minus is given, x minus y, then here what to do? X cube minus y cube minus 3x square y minus plus 3xy square. So this one is another identity. So these two are same. What is the difference here? If the in question minus is there, you need to put minus here. But in two terms, first one will be minus and second one will be plus. You can obtain this answer like we have obtained this. जैसे हमने ये किया वैसे ही आप इसको obtain कर सकते हो. Clear? So now we will see the sums based on this identity. It is very simple and will be asked in exam. Now what? First question, 2x plus 1 whole cube. Second one, 2a minus 3b cube. Right. So what you need to do? First of all, you have to check your question. What is your question? So your question is like this. In bracket, two terms are given. That means here this one is x, this one is y. So your question is like that, x plus y whole cube. So you should have a spark in your mind that which type of identity I need to use. So your identity, what is your identity? X plus y whole cube. That means first cube, second cube, 3 into first second square plus 3 second square first. This way you have to remember. Now you have to put this into this. Here your x is 2x. So I will write x cube. X cube means 2x cube. So 2x cube. Y cube. Here your y is 1. So you will put 1. Then next 3. So I will write 3. X means first. First means 2x. Y means 1. Next x square. X means 2x square. And y means 1. So how I can write answer? 2 cube. This cube will apply to this both. 2 cube means 8 x cube. 1. 3 2s are 6x. Here 3 2s. This square will apply to this. So 2 4x square. Right? Here if I write like this, so it will be easy for you. Now if I multiply this, 8x cube plus 1. 3 2s are 6. 6 into 1, 6. 6x. 3 4s are 12x square. Right? So this one is your answer. Right? Now second question, 2a minus 3b whole cube. So this one is your x, this one is your y. So what is your identity? A cube x cube minus y cube minus 3x. X means 2a. Y square means 3b square. Next plus 3 x square y. X square means 2a square. Y means 3b. Okay? So 2 cube 8 a cube. 3 cube 27 b cube. Here if I solve this, 3 square 9 p square. 2 square 4a square 3b. Now I will do multiplication of these two. So 8a cube 27b cube. 3 2s are 6. 6 9s are 54. ab square. 3 4s are 12. 12 3s are 36. A square b. So this one is your answer. Now remaining two sums you need to do in your homework. बाकी के दो sums आपको आपके homework में करने हैं. Next question, that is evaluate. It is also a simple question and based on this identity. So first one is 99 cube and second one is 102 cube. Right? So first of all, what we have to do, you have to observe. Here cube is given, so you need to adjust this into our previous identity. So here instead of 99, I can write 100 minus 1. Yes or no? So this one is your x, this one is your y. So if x minus y whole cube, what will be your answer? X cube means 100 cube. Y cube means 1 cube. Minus 3 x square means 100 square. Y means 1. Next plus 3 x y square. Right? For answering like this or like me, you need to understand identity. आपको identity पता होनी चाहिए. चलो 100 क्यूब. Here 203 times. That means 60. Here 1 cube is 1. 200 square means 2 square means 40. 1 if I write or not write doesn't get. Now here what is remaining? 2 to 4 to 6. Here minus 1, 3 into 10,000, it will become 30,000 plus 3 into 100, 300. Now for making it easy, what we need to do? We will add these two, or we will add the number with same sign. Here plus plus. So if I add these two, it will become 10 lakh 300. Right? Clear? What I have done? I have done addition of these two, and I will add this also. Minus minus plus. So it will become 3001. Right? Now I will subtract these two. So here 0 minus 1, 10 minus 1, 9. Here what is remaining? 9. 9 minus 0, 9. Here it will become 2. 2 minus 0, 2. Right? 0 minus 0, 0. Clear? Now 0 minus 3 means 10 minus 3, 7. Here it will become 9. So what is your answer? This one is your answer. Like same way you can write or you can find the answer of this. Here what is your question? 102 cube. So what you need to do, you know that 102 means 100 plus 2. Right? 100 plus 2 means x plus y whole square. So what to 2x cube y cube 3x square y 3x y square. So if you solve this, you find your answer. And the remaining one sum is also you have to do by your own. So I hope now for today's identity you have to write this both identity 10 times in your homework, and then you have to solve all this question. Thank you.